Hey YouTube, MinnesotaEric here. So I had a bad happening yesterday. I really did. I was tootling along in my razor, making a beer run because I had a buddy with his family in tow coming on over to cook, and so I figured, well, I better have libations on hand. And I was carrying an extra gas can in the back. That gas can was held down by bungee cords, and the gas followed the bungee cords, hit the hot exhaust, and burst into flames. Check this out. Anyway, it was kind of cold out, so I was wearing heavy stuff, and so I jumped out as soon as I realized I was on fire, and I winged the gas can behind me, and then the only thing I had to put out the fire is beer. So, ever put out a fire with beer? I have. Wow. Anyway, then Good Samaritans showed up with a 5-gallon bucket. There happened to be a big puddle right there, and we got the rest of it out. And then the cops showed up, the fire department showed up, and I know everybody in this community, it is what it is, and so it got classified as a grass fire. All right. But check this out. There's quite a bit of damage here. This is now a whole new project by Razor. So the entire harness is roached. If you can see this, this is a throttle position sensor. It's roached. The intake is roached. The injectors, though a little charred, look like they're okay. The mass airflow sensor, though a little charred, looks like it's okay. The spark plug wires are charred, as is the coil packs. At least it's charred enough where I wouldn't trust it. So down on the side here, and I know this looks like a mess, hopefully we can see in here, shift cable is it's functioning, but it's charred. The rotary sensor, the park position sensor, is charred, but it looks functional. Again, here's some more charred wires. I am going to replace the crank position sensor just because I don't trust this char on the wires. And so thankfully I found somebody parting out at 2017, and so I've got some parts coming, and I guess I'll know more when I tear into this thing. Wow, what an unexpected hassle. So, hey, I thought it was going to be done with the Razor. I have a couple of upgrade videos in the works that I've already done on this thing. But I guess now we're going to be replacing the entire wiring harness. And my buddy who came over to cook for us, his son, he's a Polaris mechanic. He says, Eric, that's a hassle. You got to take the entire thing down basically to the frame to get at the harness. I'm like, oh, sweet. So anywho, that's life in northern Minnesota. Bye-bye. What a mess. Anyway, YouTube, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you like the channel, subscribe. Again, we're Thai drama up here in north central Minnesota. Minnesota Eric signing off till we meet again. Bye-bye.